Fuck sakes, YouTube.
Yeah. All right. Let me play some good music.
Hey. No, Apa cái kitchen? Apa cái kitchen này?
Baby, stop where you are. Take it easy before you take it too far. Abanza kwitunganya. Somebody stop her. She knows me. I feel I'm a star. Then she mess around the rip of my heart. Banchaka kotujana. So I made it out the door. I think I should leave, yeah. And now she dancing, dancing, wanna tease. She body make me sweat, know what I mean. Bitch, I'm where they come on me. This chick is bad, that's for real. I close my eyes when she's around. I close my eyes when she's around. She blow my mind when she's around. I blow my mind when she's around. Look on the island. Look on the island. Chip on my look on the island. Tell me love your figure and your perfect design. Top shelf kitty, yeah, you're certainly fine. All up on my mind is how I can make your mind. A gentleman thing, so me not cross the line. It's like she control me. Friend them talk about how she hold me. Me and my one and only. Must work on me and the goalie. But to see some girl in the place and I drive me crazy. But you step in and take me there, girl. And I drive me crazy. But you step in and take me there, girl. And I drive me crazy. But you step in and
Hey, Baxter. YouTube.
she blow my mind when she's around. I blow my mind when she's she got me hiding. I close my eyes when she's around. I close my eyes when she's around. She blow my mind when she's around. I fool my mind when she's around.
Why you?
Oh, please don't leave me, God. Love me to the end of time, of time, of time. Love me to the end of time. I don't care what they say, I don't care what they do, I don't care if they hate. I'm in love with you. I don't care if the sky comes falling down on us. I give you all my love, just don't break my trust. You got me spinning round and round. High on your love and I can't calm down. Why please don't leave me, God. Love me to the end of time. End
to go at Charlie.
Lately you been on my mind and I
Can
can't.
you go friend? Masuk kelas.
You got me spinning round.
Hey.